5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Hey guys!
It's Nextkidz.
Today we'll be trying the pumpkin spice mukbang.
Here's some of the things we have. We have candy corn popcorn, pumpkin spice almond beverage. It's milk, right?
That's for me, vegan.
We have some organic frosted toaster pastries. They're pumpkin.
Pumpkins.
Pumpkin JoJo's. We have some homemade pumpkin cookies, vegan style. Angie made them. We have a pumpkin chai spice. Whoa, I don't know what that is. It's a cake. On the other side, we have some pumpkin tortilla chips. Then we have some madeleines. The owners. And then it's a pumpkin spice latte, but kind of just disregard it.
So let's dive in.
So basically, we're just gonna have a taste test and try each snack one by one and rate it on how we like it.
So first off, we're gonna try Trader Joe's pumpkin JoJo's.
Okay. So
Wait.
here's
Like a makeup brush.
So this is what it looks like.
it smells so good.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's good. Period.
These are first for now.
Yeah, these are good.
It's like actually pumpkin spice. Like
Yeah.
Oreos would not put this much pumpkin spice in it.
Should I 10? I want
10,
10. 10.
10. First score.
And next, we have the pumpkin spice Cheerios, pumpkin spice almond milk.
Fun fact, my
Never
favorite
had
type of
almond
milk.
Oh, no
Let's
cow's
open this
milk.
bad boy up.
I want to smell it.
What if it's weird to for nose?
You're like fucking.
That was in one arm.
Yum.
Go.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3.
I don't know which is which.
Oh.
It's a little too much. I
I don't know
think
which
for
is
me.
which.
It's really spicy.
I like it.
I think this ruined it for me. Okay, I like the cereal, but this I don't like the milk.
I don't like the
No,
Sorry.
no, no, no.
Yeah, the cereal's plain. It just tastes like.
It just tastes like the regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Like
cereal's
milk.
plain. Sorry.
I like it.
I know,
Sorry,
I
Trader
like
Joe's.
No, it's always
Okay, I like the milk. The milk is perfect. It's not too much of like sugar or spice. And the cereal doesn't taste. I don't like Cheerios, so I'm gonna rate this a 5.
This in general, I rated it a 5.
The milk, I think I rated like an 8.
I give this a 4 because it's still good, but it's just too much spice.
I also give it a 4 because I feel like I'm drinking like a cinnamon, like at the bottom of the.
I feel like I'm eating a gum.
Like
The
the
red
Yeah, like
The
the cinnamon gum.
yeah.
I think I'm just sensitive to that.
I love this shit.
I give this a 5 also. Well, the cereal is like dry.
I give the cereal a 5. I don't like the aftertaste really, because it just tastes like real Cheerios. But I give the milk a 7.
Yeah.
Okay, I actually kind of like the cereal. The cereal tastes normal to me. It just has like the pumpkin spice, but I don't like the milk because it kind of reminds me of like Thai tea or something, and I don't really like that.
Excuse me? If you like Thai tea, then.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm picky.
Not that bad actually. It's like 6. Like 6. Well, yeah, I like the Cheerios. They taste like Cheerios, but the milk is a little too cinnamon. Next up, we have the organic frosted toaster pastries, pumpkin flavored.
Let's dig in.
I can't eat this one because it's not vegan. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, I'm hella dry. Okay,
This is the
I've been having ginger in my mouth. This is how really good it tastes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's not toasted, it tastes like a
Yeah.
that's why.
I give it an 8 because it kind of tastes like the brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tart, like they said, but it's still good.
I give this an 8 as well. It was just dry for me, but it was good.
I give it a 7 because it didn't really taste like pumpkin to me. Kind of. I'm sorry, but it tastes good though.
I'll give it like a 7.5.
I'll give it a 8.5.
I give it a 9, I guess, or like an 8 because It's not bad. Like it tastes good. I think maybe like if you toasted it, maybe for like breakfast, like on a cool October morning before school, I think it'll be good.
I give it an 8 because I really like the flavor. It tastes like the brown sugar Pop Tart, and I like that. It was just dry.
Hell.
If it wasn't dry, I
Yeah.
probably would have rated it a 10. Okay, next up we have pumpkin tortilla chips.
1, 2, 3.
It's good.
Just tastes like a regular tortilla chip kind of.
I can't taste
Put some on a napkin.
I tasted a little bit, yeah.
I can see why
I
they
would've-
call it
Like pumpkin
pumpkin.
chip.
It's a very, very light like taste of pumpkin.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I
don't
would
taste- I don't
never
taste it.
know.
you have to like dig into your like
It's
taste
in the
buds. Like,
background.
I mean, it's good for right now because that was so sweet. Like everything.
I'm gonna need to
Keep
go
it
back to
open
that
so
later.
to cleanse our palate.
I'm gonna need to go back to it later.
I rate this a 5 just because it's good, but it's like not pumpkin-y at all. It just tastes like I bought a regular bag of tortillas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good.
I rate it like a 7.5 because it's good, but like it says pumpkin, but it doesn't really taste like it.
I give this a 7 because it's too like the regular one. I would never known it was pumpkin.
I rate it like a 5 because it doesn't really taste like anything.
Also, same a 5 because you can really taste the pumpkin in it.
Yeah, I rated 5 too. I don't know. The second chip I tasted something I didn't like. Maybe it's like the seed or something.
I know it looks like the seed right there.
That's why I was like,
I think I give it like a 7 because they're like good chips. They're just like I think the company needs to work better on adding the better pumpkin spice.
I would give this like a 6 because I liked it.
Next, we are trying the pumpkin chai spice loaf.
I can't try this one, but
Let's cut into it.
She's been eyeing this cake ever since she
Yeah. Wait, you should like pre-open this shit?
I already opened it. You need to replay that.
Let's cut into it.
That looks so good.
It does.
Look at that frosting.
The camera overheated, so we don't know if we got it on film, but as you can tell, it's a 10 out of 10.
So next we have Trader Joe's candy corn popcorn right here. Like inside there's like different color popcorns. You can see that.
it's hecka weird because there's no pumpkin spice in this, but it smells like pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
That is sweeter than I
Caramel.
thought.
Hella sweet.
It's like cotton candy. You know when you like when you bite the cotton candy and it's like when it gets wet and like it has that
Yeah, like the
crunchy.
crackle.
Now
Yeah.
that you said that, it does.
I mean, I ate this before and I thought it was really good, but it's just so sweet and I can't. But I think it's good, so I'm gonna say a 7.
I give it a 9. It's really good, but as
Wow.
Andy said,
Hella generous.
That's good.
as Andy said, it's like heck of sweet. So yeah.
I give it a 9 because it reminds me of the drink that I get from Starbucks, an extra caramel frappuccino.
Wow.
And yeah, extra.
I give it an 8 because it's like really sweet. Like I can't eat a lot of that.
I'll give it a 6 because it's too sweet for me.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I'll give it a 9. It's good, but yeah, I won't be. I couldn't eat a lot.
I give it a 6 because I think it's really good. It's just way too sweet. Like y'all need to calm it down a little bit.
I would give it an 8
Whoa.
because it was really good. I just can't eat a lot of it.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
I just
it's
didn't eat a
good.
lot.
It's
It's really
just
good, like
really
caramel.
Okay, we're almost done.
I'm so
Yeah, I'll grab it too, just like Camille.
So next, we're gonna try the madeleines pumpkin spice flavor.
Ready, set, go.
That's good.
What the heck? It's like the cake part of this.
Yeah, it tastes like this.
I'd rate it a 9.5. It was really good.
I rated it a 10. I think they're really good, especially for this season. It's like not too much spice and it's not too sweet. It's just like really good and soft, like a good snack in October on a windy day.
I rated it a 7. That's what I said.
I'll give it a 10. It's really good. I love it.
I'll give it a 6.
Wow.
I know.
I was about to say 5, but
Why are you taking it personal?
Because it's good.
I'll rate it an 8 because the cake itself is like really moist and soft. But I don't know, I prefer more flavor.
And now for the grand finale. We got pumpkin spice cookies.
Cookies.
Made by Angie. 1, 2, 3.
whoa.
I rate this
A 5. Because even though I made it, like it was a cake like mix, so it's not really like I made it. It was just like a regular cookie to me. But I still like it.
I rate it a 7.5. It's really good, but like I don't know, it's soft but a little too soft. But other than that, it's really good.
Perfect score. Sorry. I'm already.
I rate it a 9 because when you keep eating it, it gets kind of better.
I give it a 10. I like it.
Taste. I gave it a 8. I like the frosting. I like how it's like the cookie, like it's perfect, like the texture. Like it's not too crunchy, not too soft. That's exactly how I like it. Well, she made it, so I'm gonna give her my critique since she's right here. And I love the frosting. But it tastes like pumpkin. Like I'm not really a fan of that. Like, pumpkin.
Why are you telling that? Like, I'm not really a fan of that. like, she needs to change the way.
No, I'm just saying.
This whole video is pumpkin.
I give it a 7 because I really like the shape. Like, I like when my cookies are thin, so that's what's good about it. And it's really soft. But yeah, I don't really, like, I think the spice was too much for me, but yeah, I give it a 7.
I give the cookie a 7.5.
Why is she hiding and trying to give it to the dog? She's gonna give it to the dog.
A 7.5 because it was good and it was really soft, but I can't eat too much sweets, so I couldn't finish it. But it was good.
Okay, so here are our top 3 favorites right here. And starting first, we have our pumpkin JoJo's. They're like Oreos. You see? And this one's our favorite. We all agreed. Every single one of us gave this a perfect score. And in second place, we have the pumpkin chai spice loaf. It tastes really good. We all like the frosting and everything about it, except for 1 or 2. And then in third place, we have the pumpkin spice madeleines. It was a good tie between these two. We had a little disagreement, but at the end of the day, we come together to one answer. So yeah, this is what we give third place. We really liked it, and we would love a sponsor, so thank you.
Hit us up, Trader Joe's. Okay, that's all for today's video. Let us know what other fall festivities that you want us to do in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!